What's going on, guys? 2017 Flawless Half Case, one briefcase, random number 2. We are going live. Timestamp, boom, 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 552. Already have the teams in, already have the names in. Dice has to be 4 or more. It is a 9. As always, we randomize both, throw you in a spreadsheet. Whoever you line up is who you get. 8 and 9. Browns on the top, Bucks on the bottom. ZFIDIJ is the code for the teams. There they go. Here we go. 4 more. Ooh, it's a little 05. Little 05 on the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ralph on the top. Patrick Newton on the bottom. QQNMIW. Again, wherever you line up, that's who you got, guys. Bank. There you go. Do. And those are your teams. Good luck, everybody. We are done. Timestamp is 553. Thanks, guys.